Hi, I'm Hans and I'm one of the zookeepers here at Como Zoo. Give to the Max Day is next week and early giving is going on now. Your gifts support Como and are being matched. Donations in any amount make a difference. Follow the link in the description to give today. Your gifts support plans for the large cat habitat, upgrades for animals, improvements for visitors, free admission to Como. And if you come to visit the Como Zoo and see these lions lying around, that's what they spend most of their time doing. But all of the support that you give helps fund enrichment, so occasionally you'll see them destroying anything that we give them. Thank you for giving to the Max for Como Park Zoo and Conservatory.